What's going on? Why one in here? Sui, which mean long time. Pani said that she was annoyed that someone had interrupted the queue while she had been waiting in long for a long time. Hi, I'm Oncok Manigorjo Kasihan, a second semester psychology student. I will tell you about my review after watching the film Budi Pekerti. Do you know Budi Pekerti? Okay, I will review for you. Did you know the Prani is a guardians and counseling teacher at a school? It's meant a counselor in the school, right? Her career was on the line after she went viral on media social saying, Sui. But you know what the problem exactly? Yes, because what netizen called was asu, which means dog. Some people think that as a counselor say dog, not really. Okay, people thought she was rude. She was supposed to have said dirty things to the old lady. The old lady is mean namely the seller, yeah, the seller something. Of course. Actually, alumni defended her because the student felt she was an excellent teacher and highly dedication. So many students support her actually from beginning actually. However, halfway through, everyone withdrew because they suspected her action could damage them mentally. Yeah, the alum chose not to help Prani anymore because an alumnus was taken with reflection, namely accompanying and joining other people in digging graves. Yeah, he give the consequence to the student, have the make the trouble in the school and fighting with the people, and then Miss Prani think that it's better if I teach the student to know the value of life. So he give the consequence to reflection. Yeah, give reflection to him. Yeah, accompany enjoying other people in digging graves. The reflection on digging graves that Prani gave to the student caused the student to have mental problems, namely being attracted to the smell of the graves. When the student experiences stress, the smell of the grave can make him feel calm and peaceful. Because of that, the student decided to consult to the psychologist. Because he think that this is the problem for me. Why when I visited the grave I feel peaceful, when I stress, have the struggle and anything else, come to the grave to make him calm down and then to make him to feel peaceful. Yeah, that's why he came to the psychologist. Yeah, she also experienced threats of dismissal from her job. Yeah, because the viral one, yeah, he got the he got the treated from the head of the dismissal from her job, but she was safe if student would dung his grave justified on social media that he went to a psychologist because of another factor. Yeah, it's mean that actually the man who have the feeling belong to the graves actually when he talk about the reflection anybody think that, yeah, what is the call it? I forgot the name. Prani said, they think that Prani is the psychopath. Yeah, psychopath. Why the student give the reflection like that, and then to make them to big problem, and then they need to psychology, yeah, because they already stressed, blah 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 blah, like that. So that's why the head of the Bu Prani think that, oh okay, you desire to, yeah, you fire you and then cut off our contract and anything else. And then, yeah, if she didn't work in the place, yeah, she already jobless. But the good thing is he can still work if she can find the man, and then the man explain what the problem with him actually, and then share their experience, his experience actually, and then told to the people or to the public that he went to the psychologist not because reflection who given by the Bu Priani, but about the another factor like that. So when they meet up, and then when the student came to school explaining good things about Prani, the school so excited, right? And then retain him and ask the student to make a video, like make the clarification, yeah, like make a clarification. To hear about that, the student felt panic actually, and afraid that people would question his mental problems. Long story short, yeah, Prani decided to protect the student privacy actually, and resign from her job, because if the student tell about why he go to the psychologist, and then other people will ask what's wrong with you, what problem with you, and how your mental health and anything else, that is to make him, yeah, to make the big issue again. So that's why, yeah, decided to ask to Bu Prani don't want to make the video. And then the story short, yeah, Bu Prani can understand, and then Bu Prani decided to protect the student privacy and resign from the job. And in the end, she left when she was to start a new life with her family actually. I hope you can get the new things from my sharing actually. And then, do you know that our thumbs are our strength actually? So we use social media to raise valuable things. So if there is a double meaning, it means that if really don't understand the meaning of the information from the media social, we can stop, or we can think, or we can, yeah, just ignore actually, if the information not clear. And then the first, ensure the new is accurate before sharing. So now on, we already know that social media have the powerful to make the good impact or the bad impact to the people life or to ourselves also. So that's why you have to wisely to use your media social. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy with my story, and you get at least one insight to make you to be better. Thank you. Bye bye. I leave my place.